Welcome to What's Up Podcast with Alex and Jay. Hi, I'm your host, Jaylus.
And I'm your co-host, Alex. And we are going to be discussing SDG 7, Affordable and Clean Energy.
Before we start, why don't we introduce our guests?
Yes, sure.
My name is Giorgio C. Demeterio.
I am Sofia Lopez.
And I am Jericho Tan.
And we are going to be discussing our SDG, which is Clean and Affordable Energy.
Before we start, SDG 7, or Sustainable Development Goal 7, seeks to guarantee that everyone has access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy by 2030, emphasizing the need for increased use of renewable and sources and improved energy efficiency to combat poverty and climate change.
In addition, influencing the people will directly impact their quality of life, economic opportunities, and environmental sustainability. With access to affordable and clean energy, like solar and wind power, it ensures that communities can power their essential services, which will not only improve living conditions but also enhance education. Furthermore, shifting from fossil fuels to clean energy reduces air pollution, which can lead to fewer respiratory illnesses and other health issues. This is especially crucial in urban areas where pollution levels are high, improving the overall air quality and reducing health risks due to pollution. This can also reduce the carbon footprint, which will greatly affect our environment and take action on climate change. Also, providing initiatives will help the community to learn the benefits from clean energy and are more likely to adopt sustainable practices and advocate for policies that promote renewable energy. Moving on, what's the sole purpose of addressing the importance of SDG 7? Energy is a critical enabler for many other sustainable development goals. For example, it supports SDG 3, which, with the access to reliable and affordable energy, we can ensure healthcare facilities to have the power to run essential medical equipment, refrigeration for vaccines, and proper lighting. This improves the quality of healthcare delivery, especially in remote areas, and helps in the prevention and treatment of diseases. Secondly, with SDG 7, we can also promote SDG 13, or climate action. With the aspects of SDG 7, improving energy efficiency can reduce the amount of energy required to produce goods and services. Because of this, we can use energy more efficiently and reduce energy consumption, which in turn helps lower carbon emissions, aligning with the climate goals of SDG 13.
The reliance on fossil fuels is very counterintuitive and harmful for the environment. But within the Philippines, a small island of Cobrador, Romblon, has a remarkable example of what is possible because of their implementation of solar power and batteries on the island. It has significantly improved the service hours, affordability, and environmental sustainability, providing that alternatives are both achievable and have proven to be effective, further highlighting the need for cleaner and more cost-efficient energy alternatives to reduce CO2 emissions. Furthermore, why don't we discuss the relation between SDG 7 and the Bible?
Sure. In 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 7, it states that, "Now to each one the manifestation of the Spirit is given for the common good." This relates to SDG 7 because the goal of ensuring affordable and clean energy for all reflects the Christian principle of using resources and gifts for the benefit of the whole community. Just as the Spirit empowers individuals to contribute to the welfare of others, achieving SDG 7 calls for the collective effort of providing sustainable energy, ensuring that all people, particularly the vulnerable, can thrive.
Now, how do these endeavors influence our people and our collective goal of sustainability for the current and future generations?
To explain further, the verse from First Corinthians chapter 12 verse 7, now to each one of the manifestation of the Spirit is given for the common good, teaches us that our talents and resources are meant to benefit everyone. This connects directly to SG 7, which focuses on providing affordable and clean energy for all. Just as the Spirit empowers individuals to serve others, achieving SDG 7 is about working together to ensure that everyone, especially the most vulnerable, has access to sustainable energy.
Wow, that is so very interesting. Now, can you enrich your answer?
Sure, clean energy allows people to improve their quality of life, stay healthy, and have opportunity to thrive. This effort also reflects a responsibility to future generations. By using our resources wisely today, we help create a sustainable world for tomorrow. In this way, achieving SDG 7 isn't about meeting a global target. It's about acting in love and justice, ensuring that everyone has what they need to flourish both now and in the future.
Very amazing.
Another question.
Yes, what is it?
In what ways can Christian moral teaching in ensuring that clean and affordable energy is accessible to everyone?
Great question. The teachings of Christian morality can ensure the sustainable development goal 7 in revolutionizing the reliance of a cleaner option for energy and an alternative of a more accessible energy for every community. To make this possible, showcasing the popular conscience to make the people more open-minded of the negative effects of the reliance on fossil fuels. You wanna know something else?
Yeah, sure.
These actions help drive demand for renewable energy, making it more widespread and affordable over time. In addition, proactive involvement like advocating for clean energy policies and supporting leaders who prioritize sustainable initiatives, which will contribute to the policy.
Let us move on with our guests, Gio, Leah, and Yuriko. Why is Christian morality important in the application of SDG 7?
Well, for me, Christian morality supports SDG 7 by encouraging respect for the environment, fairness, and helping others. Christian teachings say we should protect the earth as God's creation, which aligns with using clean energy to avoid harming the planet. They also emphasize fairness, meaning energy should be accessible and affordable for everyone, especially those who need it most. By promoting these values, Christian morality helps drive actions toward reliable and sustainable energy for all people.
Christian morality supports SDG 7 by teaching values like care for creation and justice. Christians believe we should protect the earth, which encourages using clean energy sources that don't harm the environment. Also, Christian values of fairness mean everyone should have access to essential resources like energy. Together, these beliefs can inspire actions that help make energy sustainable and available for all.
For me personally, Christian morality plays a big role in achieving SDG 7, which again focuses on affordable and clean energy. It emphasizes stewardship, which means that we are called to use resources responsibly and care for creation. With this mindset, not only are we thinking about sustainability, but also for ensuring that everyone, especially those in need, get the access to the energy that they need.
Very well said. How about you guys? Do you have any insights from this discussion?
Yeah, I learned a lot, especially when you guys talked about personal responsibility. It made me realize that I can also help just by turning off things that I am not using anymore.
Can I also add something?
Sure, why not?
I really like the Bible part. Although it didn't seem to click at first, I realized how God's words still apply in this modern world. It made me want to read the Bible more.
Well, I just want to say thank you for all the time we spent today. I believe we all gained new energy saving habits and drivers of changes in our house, families, and maybe even our community.
We deeply agree.
Thank you for listening
to the WhatsApp podcast. Once again, I'm your host, Jairus Christian Tikarom, and
And I am your co-host, Alex Hubay, and we are deeply thankful that you lent us some time in listening to our podcast.
see you again next time.